Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and FunTouch OS version to ensure the steps match. This avoids surprises. Once done, make sure your device is unlocked and not in kid or guest mode. Next, open Settings and go directly to Home Screen and Lock Screen Settings. Search if you must. You need those menus visible now to change layout restrictions and access the home screen layout or app grid options without detours. You'll now unlock the layout controls inside the home screen settings. Tap Home Screen Layout or Grid and inspect options. Some Vivo phones hide advanced controls behind a home screen lock toggle. Turn off Home Screen Lock, Smart Folders Limiting Placement, or Easy Mode if enabled, because those prevent rearranging. After that, choose the app grid like 4x5 or 5x5 and enable free placement so icons and widgets move where you want them without automatic snapping. You finish by confirming and applying the new layout, then long press the home screen to rearrange icons and add widgets. If changes don't stick, reboot the phone. Simple restarts often clear configuration locks. Make sure the system launcher is up to date in app management. If the problem persists, reset home settings to defaults or install a trusted third-party launcher. That gives full control and bypasses stubborn built-in restrictions so you can
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.